How to start a mom blog in 11 steps. 1-1.
How I used Suzi Whitford's Blog by Numbers course to totally transform the way I do business. Suzi Whitford has this most amazing course called Blog by Numbers. Now, I came across it approximately 2 years ago. She is a really well structured, brilliantly explained course in which she teaches moms who've lost their confidence how to get into the whole blogging scene. Now, as a mom, once you have children, there's this whole problem that comes about with your confidence levels. The longer you stay at home looking after your children, the longer you start to doubt yourself. And as a result, after a couple of years, it becomes really difficult to believe that you can step out into a new technology or a new field and actually be a voice out there while being a good parent at the same time and actually monetizing your journey from home. Now, I'd come from a very technical background. I'm a database administrator originally, and the whole idea of becoming an author online freaked me out completely. After certain numbers of years where I was actually teaching my children from home and I was coming across some fantastic features that I could share with other parents out there who decided to go into the homeschooling journey themselves, I had to find a way to get my voice out there. Now, Suzi's course, the Blog by Numbers course, is fantastic. It's structured, it tells you what to do, it gives you a framework, and it makes it super easy to take it one step at a time, and if you fail, it's not a problem. You pick yourself up and you continue. Now, in the same way, I was able to use that same structure to build into our homeschooling journey. Homeschooling is a continuous journey of development and learning of how things actually work and how your children develop. And your children are going to change all the time. So there's never a fixed point where you know exactly what to do and you're going to repeat it every day. It's going to change, believe me. Now, in the same way that Suzi did her structured approach in her Blog by Numbers course, I'm offering the ability through what I have learned over 15 years of experience of how to build that kind of structure into your homeschool. If this is something that is of interest to you and you want to bring yourself to a position where you can pick yourself up every day, it doesn't matter if you trip and fall, but you're learning the whole time and you're improving the whole time, then click on the link below. I've got some fantastic tools that will help you on this journey. And don't forget to like this video so your friends can know about it too. Thanks so much.